good morning. This is Jay. In this video, we are going to discuss about how do we going to create a discrete line chart. Simple as that. Maybe like in the other video, we have seen like how to create a continuous line chart, but this is a discrete line chart. Simple as that. Let's start here. What is a discrete line chart? Cool. This is basically the discrete line chart, which demands one date and one or more measure is actually a mandate to start with. Cool. Then yeah, let's start with the date, and then I would go with something. Maybe I would go with quantity. Let it be. Now look at it here. We get some value. The discrete is been actually coming as a recommended one. I select it. I get the discrete value. Now look at it. Maybe the 2018 is not actually into the mark, right? So to take this one out, I just filter out the years. I don't want 2018 and uncheck it. Cool. Then yeah, this becomes a 1. Now if this is the case, this is basically for year level property. Simple as that. And this blue color represents that this is discrete, not a measure, not a continuous. Simple as that. Now on top of it, I wanted to do a second level hierarchy. I click that. I go for quarter. So look at this one. Each and every year, the first quarter starts with the lowest value, and then that keep increasing till the fourth quarter. The same trend follows for all 4 years. It keep increasing. Simple as that. Now on top of it, let me add some more layers. Let me take, we have used quantity. I would take profit and then I would put it into size. Yeah, it's making sense. Look at it here. Some part of 2016, the fourth quarter is actually made a better profit comparing with all other scenarios, making bit inference, right? It's getting better. This is one idea. Now on top of it, I wanted to understand the sales parallelly. I would put it into rows. Yep, it's making sense. Look at it here. This is basically for quantity and this is basically for sales. Look at it here. Even though the quantity has been highly increasing from second quarter to third quarter, the sales, maybe the sales is not that much increasing. Simple as that. So that's what one inference has been happening, identified here. And then you can choose whatever that we wanted to have here. Simple as that. On top of this, this is basically the discrete line chart. On top of it, if you wanted to again drill down to a month level property, yeah, that is still possible. So this is like quarter, within quarter, month level property. Within month, you can go for a week level property to the day level property. How it worked. Simple as that. So this is what it is been getting inferred with the month level, day level, quarter level, and the year level property. Simple as that. So this is making sense a better way. This is basically the discrete line chart within Tableau. Simple as that. Whenever we wanted to add some more layers on top of it, we can still do it. Simple as that. Cool. Then yeah, so this is how we create a simple discrete line chart. See you in the next video. Thank you.